Today we're going to show you how to make Wolfgang Puck's fall off the bone pork ribs. Let's slice these up. Oh my. Okay, now we're going to work on the rub. Great smells in there all mixed together. Outstanding. Generously coat these on top. This is our spicy dipping sauce. That's going to be a fun extra flavor on the ribs. Perfect. These look beautiful. We'll give them a flip and we'll keep flipping them probably every 20 minutes for another hour and a half after that. And just keep a close eye on it till the bones become loose and they'll be ready to eat. These are starting to smell just incredible here. Look at those, smell incredible. These smell amazing. They cut so easy. Oh my goodness. I guess that Wolfgang Puck guy knows what he's doing. Outstanding.